Hi and welcome to Tonya Creates. My name is Tonya Edit. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to extract text from Adobe Acrobat into a Word document. Now, one thing you need to note is that the application I'm using is Acrobat Professional, not just the Acrobat Reader, the Acrobat Professional. That's where you get the tools to be able to export the text to Microsoft Word. Right here I have a document which is already open. What I do, I go to my file, I go to save as other, Microsoft. I can either choose a Word document, which is stands for the newer versions of Word, MS Word, or I could make it compliant with MS Word 97 to 2003. So I'll just go with the Word document and it prompts me to save the file. So I'll just choose the location. In this one, I already have a location where I've opened before, so let me just overwrite this. Okay, so it goes through the process. Now, one thing you need to note, no matter the number of pages, it will do the conversion for you, but it may take more time because of the size of the document. So let's see where we have saved our document. Let's open the Word file. Okay, so my document has been converted. Now, I'm sure you are shocked seeing all these colors when we had blue. Well, that is not a problem, because where the original application that I worked on the file, I created some effects on the background, but that's easy to take care of because I don't really need the background. It's the text that I need. So I could just go through, select the background and delete, and we can see that we have our text live. All right, so that's it. I just picked a few pages. Now you can see all my text is live. It stays as formatted as I had it. I can edit it, delete, change something or whatever. You know, this comes in handy where you may want to maybe edit for other formats. Maybe you just want to send someone the Word format for whatever purpose. So that concludes the tutorial for today. I hope you have learned something. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more videos. Take care.